Okay, so it says here, color yellow the correct ordinal number of the encircled animal. So this one. You will color the box which one is correct, if it's first or second. Okay? How about this bear? What's the answer? What's the answer? You tell me.
Second.
What's your answer? You tell me. Is it second? Yan yung tinuturo mo. Ano yung tinuturo mo?
This one.
Ano yan? What's that? First?
First.
Second? Alin?
First.
First? Okay, you color the answer. Hanap na, dami na. But this, how about the tiger? Pang ilan? How many? Which one is correct? Second or
Yes.
fourth?
Second.
Okay. Wag dami, okay na yan. Enough na. How about the lion? You count din, count pang ilan.
1, 2, 3. 3.
Oh, so what's the answer? Third or second?
Third.
Okay. Next. You count the elephant. Pang ilan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, you do from here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, pang ilan? Fourth or third?
4.
Oh, go. Color the box.
This one? This one? Do you mean this?
I don't know. Is that the answer?
Yes.
Enough na, enough. Next, yung seal. Count the seal. Pang ilan? Yung circle. Naka-circle.
1, 2,
No, no. You start from the left.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Count it again. Pang ilan yung circle? Slowly. Count it slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Count it again. Pang ilan yung circle? Ito yung sa circle. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh. Pang ilan? Fourth or fifth? Fourth or fifth?
5.
Oh, go.
G, 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 G.
Enough na. Next page. Oh, here.
Seven, six.
Sabi dito, check the object as shown by the ordinal number. So, for example, sabi, kunyari, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth, you put check here. So, this one, ano nakalagay dito? First, second, third, or fourth? What's this?
Second.
What's this? What number is this? You look at this one. What number? Audrey, look. Listen to daddy. Look at daddy first. Look at my finger. What number is this?
First.
First. Oh, can you check the first ball?
1.
I don't know. You put check mark if it's correct. Oh, this one. What's this? First, second, or third? Look at this one.
Second.
Look at this one.
It's second. Second.
Okay. Put check. Next, third. It says here, third clown. Third clown daw.
1, 2, 3. 3.
Oh, next, bicycle. Pang ilang bicycle daw? Look.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Oh, last one. Anong number? Pang ilan daw?
1, 2,
Look, Audrey, you tell me first. Pang ilan? First, fifth? Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Next, last one.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, here. Dito, lalagay mo daw letter A. Audrey, listen. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. Audrey, look at daddy. Look at daddy.
I'm what?
Look at daddy. Audrey. Look at daddy. Look. You put letter A if it's addend. And you put letter S if it's sum. P if it's plus. And E for equals, okay?
A is for
A is for what?
addend.
S is for what?
Sum.
P is for what?
Plus.
And E is for what?
Equals.
Okay. Oh, here. Eto, ano tawag daw dyan? This one. Ano yan? Is it plus, equals, sum? What's this?
Addend.
Oh, what letter do you put?
A.
Next. This one. Ano yan? You tell me.
Mm,
Equals, addend, plus, what's that?
sum.
Sum or what letter?
S.
Next. Is this plus, addend,
Equals.
or what letter?
E.
Ha? What letter?
E. I can.
Is this plus, equals, sum? What's this? Is this plus?
No.
Or what's this?
Sum.
What's this?
Addend.
Or what letter?
A.
Next. You tell me what's that. You tell me first.
It's a cross.
Oh, what? Cross or what do you call it? Is it equals, sum,
Plus.
or what letter?
E.
This is plus, not cross. You say plus.
Plus.
Next, what's this? Is that plus?
No.
Oh, you tell me.
It's
Sum? Sum to, sum?
equal.
Oh, you put E.
Equal.
What's next? Is that sum?
Addend.
What letter?
Addend.
What letter?
A. I couldn't.
Oh, erase mo. A for addend. P is for plus.
It's moving.
Oh, what's this again?
Addend.
Next. You tell me
It's
first.
sum.
Sum?
It's sum.
Okay. Next, what's next?
Plus.
What's that?
It's a plus.
Oh, what letter do you put?
P.
Next.
Equals.
What letter?
E.
Good job.
Habis.
All done na. Done na, done. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Ito. Oh, sabak pa. Meron pa.
Sabi dito, count and add the shapes below. Find the sum and write your answer on the blank. You count the shapes, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4
Okay, 3 plus 1.
equals 4.
I'll write it down.
Number 4.
What? You write number 4. But A yan.
Ay,
Number 4.
oh, ganyan.
Not letter. Number 4 daw.
Okay.
Next.
4 din.
You count. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2 plus 2.
Equals
Oh,
4.
you write it down. Next. You count 1, 2.
1, 2. 2
1
yang.
plus 1.
Equals 2 yang.
Oh, 2. Next. Count the triangle.
1, 2, 3. 3.
2 plus 1.
3.
Last one. Count the cross.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4 plus 1.
5.
All done. Good job.
Not yet!
Tapos na. Wala na.
Sa backpack.
Wala na. Tapos na.
Mama, meron.
Ah, meron pa pala.
Sabi ko, meron pa eh. X.
Okay, sabi dito, put X of the correct sum to complete each addition sentence. So for this one,
4
4
plus 1.
equals
4 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
cross mo yung answer.
5?
I don't know. Is that the answer?
Yes.
Cross it. Next.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Go. Next.
1 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Next.
0 plus 1 lang.
Why?
It's only 1.
Okay.
It's empty.
Oh, you tell me.
2 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4.
Go. All done na? No more na?
Let's check. Let's check. Let's check this now.
Let's check. All done na. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.